That was all quiet.
Okay, this is for new Miss Squirrel and Gaia Online. And this is my beloved cameraman and Biffle, because I love him. And I promised there would be Kayla in this video, but there's not going to. See you later. Hey, Biznatch. Hockey peoples. Anyway, so we're at the hockey rink right now.
How do you zoom in?
You can't.
Damn it.
Anyway, so this is your video that I promised you because I'm just that awesome. This day I am a gangster again. Bros. So, in my baby wiki. And so I just, you're awesome. So, I love you. And my Biffle. Miss Squirrel is awesome. The awesomeness. Hockey. Bryden, say the new Miss Squirrel is awesome.
The new Miss Squirrel is freaking awesome.
Say the new Miss Squirrel is awesome.
It's awesome.
You have to say her name.
I don't know.
The new Miss Squirrel is awesome.
The newest squirrel is awesome.
He's sucking on his Jolly Rancher. Aren't you sucking at the Jolly Rancher? Jackson would like to suck your Jolly Rancher.
Oh.